All right, I'm starting off. I'm throwing the TrueBass hot sauce swim bait. I got it on a little 1/4 ounce jig head. I'm just gonna slow roll it around here. Hope that something wants to eat it, but I mean, our worst fears have been realized already this morning. There's absolutely no current whatsoever on the main river or on this little big creek right here. I know we had a bunch of rain yesterday. I was hoping that that would have some current moving through, but there's nothing. But we're gonna try it out for a little while anyways and see what we can do. See if we can convince one to eat. Water's got a little more stain than what you would think it does. Visibility. Ooh, that was a bite.
Swim bait.
Yeah, one on TrueBass. Let's see what we got here. Spotopotamus.
Good old spot.
Heck yeah.
Had that feeling. I had the feeling. All right, probably.
Pretty little old, say 1.5 pound Warrior River spot.
Pretty, man.
They're pretty little healthy one though. I'm sticking with the scales to verify, but I'm gonna say 1.5 pounds. That is 1.84. 1.84.
Close to 2 pounds. I call that.
He's a 1/4 pound bigger than I thought he was. All right, we're gonna turn that feller back loose though. Maybe we can grow on that one. Got some super glue added, see if that helps our old TrueBass stay on there, except one fish pretty much tore it up. That's probably one of these things, I like them. Real good baits, real good fish catchers, but they tear up real easy. We're gonna put us some more of this bait gel on there too. Cause I don't know if that factored into getting that bite or not, but I've been using this stuff right here lately. I don't know if any of you guys tried it out, but I don't know, to me, it seems like it helps a little bit, but I don't know, it could be all in my head. We've done worked our way a good ways up the creek with no success. So now at this point, we have decided to turn around and start working our way back towards the main river. Now, I don't really think the bait's pushed up far enough to be fishing this far up this creek yet. I mean, not really seeing anything on the sonar anymore. I mean, everything we were seeing came back closer to the mouth. But we're gonna fish while we're drifting back down. I'm switching up to a little finesse tactic though to do this. I'm using a split shot rig with a little 4.5 inch robo worm, mean green with a chartreuse tip. I'll work it around on the way back down, see if there's any little dudes hanging around that want to take a bite. Anything that didn't like that more aggressive approach of that big swim bait. Y'all, I don't know if we're gonna be able to convince any to actually get hooked or not, but we got something chasing bait right here. I'm not sure if it's spots or stripes. Maybe we can hook one and find out. These spots in this section of river, they'll fool you sometimes. They'll make you think they're daggum stripes, but we got one now. We're about to find out what he is. We are hooked up. Heck yeah, spot.
Decent spot too.
They are spots. That's why I love this time of year right there.
Brown bass and beyond on.
That's why I love this time of year out here on the Warrior River. These daggum spots they get to chewing. Throw you around a fluke or a swim bait and just wear them out. They are some feisty little jokers. I mean, they may not be the biggest things in the world, but dang Warrior River spot is mean. There he is, pretty little fella. Probably about another 1.5 pound, 1.75 pound one. All right, buddy, we'll see you later.
All right, guys, here. Little dink.
Man, Blake, what was that? Supposed to be catching bass, not minnows.
He was in the school, I guess.
Well, thin him out. What do I got here? I got something microscopic on the pencil popper. Man.
What? That's smaller than the one.
See, that's how aggressive the spots are, y'all.
Other aquarium.
Hey, look at that dude.
Dude. Oh, I just
Hooked
got
up on
nailed
pencil popper.
too. I just got nailed too. Spot too.
Another little small spot. I mean, he's like 10 times the size of that last spot. And he's still a little bitty one.
That was a group of them though. I got nailed part of that pool that you just caught that.
All right, buddy.
He's trying to come up, huh?
Got something pulling some drag on us. I hadn't had the little GoPro going. I got my seat in the way.
Oh, that's a good fish.
Yeah, grab that net for him.
That's a good fish.
Grab, yeah, Ethan net for him.
I don't know what it is.
I don't think my other camera's trapped. That's what I thought it was. Oh yeah. Got this old wiper. Ain't too big a one, but he hit it like a daggone freight train though.
It's way out there in the middle working it anyway.
Yep.
So it might be submerged right there. It's good though.
We probably didn't get a good view of the catch from this camera right here because I had my daggum seat up here and I was sitting way too far back when I hooked him. But got us a little wiper there. Put him back. Didn't grow some. Hi, bud. I'm sure there are. They like the old TrueBass. Fish just can't get enough. Now at this point, we kind of got a race against time on our hands. We're got some storms headed this way. We ain't got a whole lot longer if they're gonna be here. We definitely want to get out of Dodge before they get right on top of us. They look pretty nasty, but I'm hoping that we can at least get a couple more fish before they do make it to us. Really care what they are. If we can get some spots, stripers, largemouth, whatever. Y'all, we take that back. We might have called that a little prematurely. As I was idling out of here, right here in the mouth, I came over a daggum mega school. So we're gonna chunk at them a couple times and see what happens. I actually have something different in mind to throw at them. I'm gonna throw a flutter spoon at that school that I saw that I came over. I don't know if they're gonna bite or not. We're gonna try to get them to. Oh yes, yes sir. Got one on the flutter spoon. I need to mark the school. Let's see what they are. Probably a spot. This don't feel like a trap, unless it's a small one. Oh, it's a wiper. Yes sir.
Regular spoon work?
Might. Yeah, I definitely had to call a odd one. I mean, even if it is nothing but wipers. I couldn't leave after passing over a daggum just a massive school like that. Rain coming or no rain coming. All right, let's send this little feller back.
I'd like to see you hook on again. That way we'll know something. Which, I mean, you've caught two right here, ain't you?
Yeah, one on the swim bait earlier. Got another one. Now we're hooked up again on the flutter spoon. See if it's another wiper. It's fighting like one. Yep. Oh, that's a pudgy one. He's got a belly on him.
Well, I know where we need to be throwing. In line with those things.
Yeah, basically right in line to there. I got us another one. That's awesome though. I mean, we done called it quits. Done sounded the final bell. Shoot, the day was far from over. Little did we know. All right, bud. All right, y'all, this is gonna be the second outro I've recorded today. Y'all ain't gonna see the first one because I ain't gonna put that one in and fake anybody out and have them click off the video too early. But I'd already filmed the first outro. We were getting ready to leave. I mean, it looked like we were fixing to get nailed by storms. Storms ended up breaking up, and about that time, I noticed on Fish Finder just a massive mega school of fish. Then we started seeing fish blowing up all around us. They ended up staying a good bit longer, catching a few more fish. I'm glad we made the decision not to quit, not to go ahead and call it quits and throw in the towel. Yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. We'll see y'all next time.